What is up YouTube? Welcome back. So we're the Technoboy and today I'm gonna unbox this. This is another 2.1 speaker you can see, and that's from Philips. So that's the box you can see. It's quite a bit big for 2.1 home theater, and that's the speakers, how they look. And I bought it from Amazon, and this thing cost me 4,999. That means 5,000. Well, for a 2.1 home theater, the 5,000 is quite a bit more than the price should be. Though it's a 60 watt RMS home theater, and you can see that's a 6,000 watt PMPO. Well, that's affecting. That doesn't mean anything at all. The RMS wattage is 60, but still 5,000 rupees for this home theater is a lot more. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. So when the doubt became true, then I wouldn't mind the price for this thing, but I'm going to tell you later about that. So first of all, let's check the box itself. And on this side you can see multimedia speakers. That's the model number MMS2260B/94, and one subwoofer, two satellite, one remote, one manual, one cable, two RCA stereo, one FM antenna, and there you can see power consumption and output 60 watt and 60 watt RMS. So that means the power consumption is 60 watt. It's going to use 60 watt electricity, and the audio output is 60 watt RMS, as I told you, and the MRP is 7,990, and the details about the importer and all the stuff. So let's open this thing, and then you're going to see. So at the top you can see that's the remote control and the RCA to auxiliary cable and the cable for antenna, and that's the user manual, and battery is not included, I guess. So let me see. The battery is not included. And on the remote control you can see the base control option is there, base plus and base minus, and that's for volume control. Well, that's the nice thing. I like the base control. Without the base control, because the bass is going to overpower the channels most of the times, so I like this thing. Now let's check the channels out. There is one channel you can see, and behind that where is there with the RCA. Nice. And at the bottom you can see rubber fit, anti-slipping fit. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. So we're the check. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. So we're the Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this. Let's take the big boy out. And so that's the main subwoofer. You can see that's the front side. Now I like this design very much. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. So we're the check. Mostly look. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. So we're the check. What is up YouTube? Welcome back. So we're the Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this. This is another 2.1 speaker you can see, and that's from Philips. That's a black grill on the top and the bottom of this white color thing, and at the bottom you can see the Philips logo, and that's the display. So that's it. And on the left side you can see the air passing port, and on the right side that's the subwoofer. That's a 5-inch or 6-inch I'm not sure about that. I'm going to check that out. And on the right side there is a USB and the SD card slot here, and at the back, see, that's the on off power switch, and that's the output speakers for the both channels, and these are the input. Two inputs are there. That's left right for one, and that's left right for another. So you got two options, like you can connect two source here, one here and another one here, so you can select from the remote which one to use. And that's the socket for antenna, and that's a, and there must be a fuse inside there. That's a power cord. So that's it. So that's how they look, the 2.1 Philips home theater. And the one thing I told you about my doubt, this is not the ordinary volume, the manual one that start here and end there. So it's not that volume, it's a infinity rotation volume control, like you can keep rotating both sides anyway, like that. So that's a different level volume control that you'll find in only in hi-fi AV receivers and hi-fi music system like that, but you wouldn't find this kind of volume control in a 2.1 home theater like this. All the 2.1 home theaters come with a volume control knob. That's a manual knob, start from here and end there. So when you use that home theater, you need to keep it at the maximum or more than half, and then you can control that with the remote. But in this case, this control and the volume from the remote, the both are the same. Like you can control it from here up and down, and then same thing you can do with there. So that's a nice thing. So now I don't mind the price. The 5,000 is okay for this home theater. Now the next thing is that how is the sound. So I'm gonna connect it to the power outlet, and I'm gonna give you a demo just a bit. Alright, so I have connected this thing to that power outlet right there, and I told you about the subwoofer size. That's a 6.5 inch subwoofer. You can see it right here, and the satellite speakers are 3 inches right there. So now let's turn this thing on. That's at Bluetooth now. So now let's connect the Bluetooth with this mobile phone right here, and it's connected now. So you have heard the sound, and as I hear it right now, I just say wow. The sound is just wow. Very nice, balanced sound, and with a very good bass. Though this is a night time, I cannot play loud right now. But I'm gonna do a sound test later with many songs, and that's gonna be a detailed sound test video. But for now, what I can say, this is like a value for money product, and I like everything about this thing. So that's it. That's all for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments below, And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.